guys, wagwan, welcome to another vlog. Summer for us is about making memories and spending time with each other, because throughout the school year we don't get to spend enough time with each other. So this week we went to the main event in Baton Rouge. It was so much fun, y'all. Tune in. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Shout out to Jerome and Joelle's Nana for being our videographer this week. Thank you, thank you.
The main event. Strum. You got it, Chrissy? Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Hey JJ, thank you for holding the door for you. Nana, you're such a gentleman. Thank you. Okay, Jerome, thank you. Oh. Eh? Thank you. Girl in the world. Only girl. Girl in the world. Like I'm the only girl that you ever loved. Sure. I'm gonna walk up fast. So close. Nana, go again. I'll be your turn again. You did it. Get it. Right in the middle. Woo. You gonna hit it up? Jerome, man, the jump on your tour. Alright, who's going? Nana or Jerome?
I already did it twice on this round, so.
Alright.
No score up there.
Alright, go on, Nana. Jerome, you ready? What you think? Nana, go hit all of it? What? She hit something right at that, are we? She got 1, Jerome. She still got a high score. She got 9. You gotta wait till it's, no, wait till it's set up. Honey, why you use that left hand? Jerome. You gotta use your strong hand, the dominant one. Hold on, Jerome. Whoa, that started out good though, Papa. turn is it? Oh, it's my turn again.
I have to taste it. I have to taste it.
Can't wait. Oh, Chris, now I know.
This is so good.
Don't stop. Alright, Jerome. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Ah!
Try to get it
Woo,
out.
woo, 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 woo.
I got this one.
Every single time. Got 6 for running. Whoa! Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Yay! Woo! Good job. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Woo! All right. Woo! Eat it, eat it, eat it. I got some better.
So y'all still in the boat right now? Okay. If y'all wanted to win, so like the time is going to start, but like as soon as y'all start with everybody, I'm good though.
Woo! Oh! I gotta do this again, Chrissy. Now your turn. There you go. Yeah. Whose turn? Go, go, go. Woo! Go, Chrissy. Woo! Woo! Good try, good try. Let me see what's your score. 4? Okay. 2, 2.
Roll out your nose. Jerome gonna show us how it's
Yeah. This is how we do it.
Alright. What did that mean? Just strap the Velcro down good, yeah. Alright. Grab one. What size you gonna use? That's a 12 pound. That's heavy. How about you use an 8 pounder?
Wonder what pound me did use to get that. I don't even know. Oh.
So what y'all gonna do? This one gonna do? Hello, sir, get up.
Send it in the middle, Jerome. Look at that. Woo! Wow! Oh my God. He's a pro. He's a pro.
Remember, say you get 2 go.
All right, Jerome.
You're gonna get stuck. Jerome, man, the jump on your toe. Alright, who's going? Nana or Jerome?
I already did it twice on this round, so
Alright.
no score up there.
Alright, go on, Nana. Jerome, you ready? What do you think? Nana, go hit all of it? What? She hit something right better, are we? She got 1, Jerome. She still got a high score. She got 9. You gotta wait till it's, no, wait till it's set up. Honey, why you use that left hand? Jerome, you gotta use your strong hand, the dominant one. Hold on, Jerome. Wow,
Oh, that started out good though, Papa.
The kids had an amazing time at the main event in Baton Rouge. We also did too. It was a good time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Yeah, you do it.